Hello everyone, this is Annie from Decent Machinery. Today we are very warmly welcome our old friend from Singapore visit our company again. So please introduce your company first.
Annie, hi, we are from Singapore. We specialize in water treatment as well as customization of electrochlorination system to help companies in treating their water. We have offices basically in Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, and several other parts of Southeast Asia. And today we are very happy to be able to be here visiting Decent Machinery. Thank you very much.
So may I ask if you are satisfied with our products and the service?
Yes, definitely. We are very happy with the centrifugal fan that we ordered recently. Decent has really put in a lot of effort to ensure that the quality and the standard of the equipment being supplied to us, in supporting our business for our client is at the world's top standard. Yeah, we really appreciate it. Thank you.
Will you recommend Decent to others?
Oh yes, definitely. Yeah. We really appreciate their professionalism, the expertise, as well as the support provided for our business. Yeah, so definitely we will recommend to any counterparts and our business partners, regardless in Singapore, Malaysia, or any other parts of Southeast Asia.
Okay.
Awesome.